I'm Snowmoon, and we're going to unbox the Allure box. Now, the Allure box is a $15, $10 subscription a month. You get, I want to say 5 items that the Allure editors pick out and a magazine. It's a really nice box, but it's called Allure Beauty Box. I have links in the description if it sounds interesting. So in this box, this is the items I got. So let's unbox it. So I got a Rodell mascara in the color probably black. This retails for $28. I don't know if I'm going to open it because it's just a mascara. It looks like it's a regular brush tip, but it is a full size. So that's nice. The next item I got says it's by Mom Mode, and it says it's red energy. Now it's this size. The full size item is $40. Guarantee this is not a full size item. But it looks like it's an energy recovery cream, so that should be interesting. Kind of stoked. The next item we will open is, wait a minute. Oh, or you could have got the Petal Spa Oil to Foam. That could have been in your box if you didn't get that one. And that is full size $14.70. I didn't get the foam cleanser, I got the red energy. So the next item is by Urban Decay. It's 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil. I kind of like this because it's an actual pencil, whereas I've been getting a lot of liners, but they're all liquid liners. So I'm kind of stoked to have an actual pencil liner. So that'll be nice. Retails for $22. Pretty sure that's probably not the full sized. It's more like a sample size because it doesn't look like it would. Looks like it would be much longer if it was full sized. I mean, even the photo of it is big compared to this one, so I'm pretty sure this isn't the full sized, but that's okay. So let's see what else we got. The next item I'll pull out of here is by Dr. Botanicals. This says it is an all-in-one rescue butter. I'm pretty sure that means it's just like a lotion. But it says it's a superfood. It says some ointments are so gelatinous. So yeah, it says to use on face, hands, elbows, knees, and cracked heels. And this says it's supposed to be lemon superfood. So I'm hoping that it will smell really good. I don't really smell any lemon. Let me get this, a little bit of this and rub it in and see. Yeah, it does have a citrus undertone, so that's nice. And the full size is $14.90. So I don't know if that's a full size or not. It probably is, but that's kind of nice. And the next item I got is by Floss. It is a lip gloss in the color Lax. And it looks like it's a really pretty color. It looks like it's like a nude almost, which is nice because I get a lot of vibrant pinks and reds, and I really like more subtle color. Oh, it's got a little swatch. Yeah, it's like a light brown, like a nudie nude. So full size item is $16. And the last item I got is a ceramide face mask. You could have got this one or a hydraulic face mask, and its cost is $3, and I'm pretty sure that it's $3 for one. So all in all, that's my Allure box. I actually really like the Allure box. It gives you really nice items. The code will be down in the description. It also gives you some promo codes in here. If you get it, most of them are just Allure or Allure 20. But at the website, you can get like 10-15% off of full-size items. So yeah. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Everything's down in the video description. I've had a long day. It's been a long week. And I will see you guys in the next video. I hurt your face. Bye.